Ever been in the middle of a recipe that called for all-purpose, self-rising or cake flour, only to realize you didn't have any? Worry no more because today I'm going to show you how to make all three flour blends right at home. So if you're excited for this video, let's get right into it. So to make 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you're going to need half cup of hard flour and half cup of soft flour. So once you have that, you're going to pour this into a strainer and sift them together about 3 times to break any lumps and also mix the flour properly. So all-purpose flour can be literally used for anything, from making breads to baking cakes, and this is actually the base to making the other flour blends. So if you already have that at home, you can just go right ahead and make the other flour blends from that. Now to make 1 cup of cake flour, you're going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and take out 2 tablespoons of the flour, and you're going to replace that with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So adding the cornstarch here is going to make your cakes and pastries lighter and also stay soft. So you're going to sieve this together as many times as you can to fully mix the ingredients, and just like that, you've got yourself some homemade cake flour. So for 1 cup of self-rising flour, we are going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that you're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure that your salt is fine so that you don't lose the granules during the sifting process. Now sift everything together and store in an airtight container until you are ready to make your delicious recipes with them. So you can use this for cakes, pancakes, muffins and donuts. So these flour blends are not easy to find on the shelf. So if you have a recipe that calls for it, don't forget to use these steps and you'll be amazed by the result. And that is it. 3 essential flour blends you can make right in your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you never miss an upload from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.